Join me as I dive into some mind-blowing Earth science secrets that I bet your school never told you. Earth science is all about understanding our amazing planet. From the mountains to the ocean floor, it's a field that's full of surprises, and today we're going to uncover some of the most fascinating secrets that will blow your mind. One of the biggest misconceptions about Earth science is that it's all about memorizing facts and figures. But the truth is, Earth science is a complex and dynamic field that's constantly evolving. Another misconception is that Earth's climate has always changed at a steady pace. But the reality is that climate change can happen suddenly and dramatically. Some people also think that volcanoes and earthquakes are random events, but they're actually connected to the movement of tectonic plates beneath our feet. Lastly, many of us were taught that the Earth's core is a solid ball of iron, but that's not entirely true. The Earth's plates are moving right now, shaping our planet's surface in incredible ways. For example, did you know that the Himalayas are growing taller by about 1 inch every year? That's because the Indian plate is pushing into the Eurasian plate. Climate change is another critical topic, with ice caps melting at an alarming rate. What's less known is that the Earth's inner layers are also playing a crucial role in climate change. The Earth's core is actually a liquid iron-nickel alloy that's about 6,000 degrees Celsius hot. This heat is what drives plate tectonics and geological activity. The most mind-blowing fact about Earth science is that there's a type of rock that can float. Pumice rocks are created when lava is quickly cooled and solidified, resulting in a lightweight rock that can actually float on water. Imagine seeing rocks floating on the surface of the ocean. It's a surreal sight. This phenomenon challenges our conventional understanding of rocks and their properties. Another surprising fact is that there are lakes that are so alkaline they can turn animals into statues. So there you have it, a few of the incredible secrets that Earth science holds. These facts show us just how complex and amazing our planet is. If you want to share your thoughts on these mind-blowing facts, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing facts on Earth.